we had a very wonderful session. I believe like Priyanshu, it was a very like excellent collaborative session actually, highly interactive. Where is Priyanshu? Wonderful, congratulations. Thank you very much. I'll take only 10-15 minutes and I'll be on time. I will not take more than what I am supposed to be. And we'll discuss about, rather than like talking, like taking you through the entire gamut of identity and access management, I'll focus only onto the identity governance. So in my recent stint, I actually did this exercise of governing the existing and the digital identity model actually. So I thought like it would be of more use for all of us like who are into highly transformative organizations and handling multiple identities of our stakeholders internally and externally. So let's begin. So whatever I speak here, quote unquote, it would be nothing related to any organization or nothing related to either of the organization which I am attached to right now. It's all personal and professional views. So we all know like what is identities and how they are configured actually. And we all know like what is the, the identity and access management, how important it is, and from a zero trust model also like which is now a buzzword actually, like is more of a the fancy concept every organization wanted to adopt. So the basic, the 4 activities which can be achieved through identity and access management is authorization, authentication, effective user management, and have the control over the user repositories. These are the basic key pillars which we are supposed to gain from having a effective identity and access management in-house. So identity and access management, when we define it as a founding stone, fundamental stone for the security for any organization, what is it? What is our aim of having it? It helps us in identifying the existing identities, shadow identities, the identities which are there but like not known to the organization, and classifying those identities based on the attributes and roles, and have provisioning and deprovisioning of these identities in a timely manner. Like for example, there is an event like multiple identities been added here, and after this event, the identities need to be deprovisioned. So when we do identity governance check across the organizations, we found tons of identities, stale identities, still existing even after the purpose has been achieved actually. So we know like shadow IT exists, but like we all has to agree to the fact that like shadow identities also exist, and there are identities in larger organizations which are controlled by regulations, under the regulatory purview. We see that like identities of the individuals and the assets still exist even after couple of years actually. The reason is, so we have the urgency to create the identities and to maintain the identities, but will not bother after the purpose is achieved. That poses a bigger problem. So then again, like what is the main purpose any effective identity and access management solution can achieve for all of us is having the sensitive identities in a correct manner protected, and have the data systems and information classified at all the locations. So there are key pillars for the identity and access management which helps in any organization to have the threat actors kept at the bay.